Hi friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix WhatsApp web stuck and not working problem in Windows 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you also facing this error in Edge, then I will show you how to fix this problem. First of all, open your Microsoft Edge. Then click on three dots. Click on settings. In this, you can see here privacy, search and services. Click here. Then enable this option. Then select strict. Then close this window. If you facing this error in Chrome, then open your Chrome. Click on three dots. Click on settings. Select here privacy and security. Here you need to scroll down. Then select here security. Here you select no protection, not recommended. Then close this window. That's it guys. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.